Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Four of Sons in reverse, Devil, and Three of Sons in reverse. So Scorpios, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are making a lot of efforts, trying really hard, working really hard, and in your circumstances, maybe in your career situation, you are doing your best, trying your best, hoping for things to change in your situation, and there are opportunities reaching you in your work, new projects or new deals, but you need to work hard, maybe to hold on to this new beginning coming your way. Maybe put in a lot of efforts, do everything in your in your capacity. So you are working really hard, guys. And maybe in your situation today, there are things happening, maybe some changes happening, something you are wishing that it never happened. So it may be in your relationship. You just never expected this to happen. Maybe this person is behaving in a very bad way towards you. They are lying, they are trying to deceive you. So you feel that you cannot trust them, trust this person, and maybe they have some addictions also, guys. That again may be something that you cannot control, something you are unable to control, and you love them, you want this relationship to work, you are doing everything possible, making a lot of efforts, and it is a really painful journey in this love, in this connection, guys. And it is a very harsh truth you are faced today, and you need to make a tough choice today, guys, because you love them, you want this connection to work, but however hard you are trying, Scorpios, things are not changing. But I also see that there is a chance, some kind of someone coming towards you. It may be your friend, someone really concerned about you. So they may offer you some advice or counsel how to come out of this difficult situation, guys. Scorpios, what you need to do for this love, for this person. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship, guys. It is Sun in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe for some of you there are a lot of misunderstandings, something which you cannot work through, and maybe you are moving away. It may lead you towards some kind of a temporary break, guys, and you are confused and you are feeling stuck. You don't know what to do today for some of you. So maybe it may be a temporary separation. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So something really difficult, something which you cannot change. It is something really harsh happening in your relationship, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Papas. So looks like there is someone helping you, guiding you in your work situation. Guys, it may be your friend, sibling or parent. It may be a woman who is guiding you, who has your welfare in their heart, and they are giving you a genuine guidance. So you need to listen to them, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Scorpios, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is Fair, Brown and Trembling, Gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured, it has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.